Good evening. Tonight, the world is responding to a
eruption in Bali.
Good day to everyone. I am a volcanologist from Bicol. Recently, I witnessed the impact of the eruption of Mount Mayon in our town. Upon my return, I brought my colleagues to share knowledge about the hazard brought by volcanic eruption. Our presentation today aims to provide knowledge about the hazard brought by volcanic eruptions before, during, and after the volcano eruption. Before the eruption, tataas ang temperatura ng tubig at hangin. Maaring magdulot ng pagkasira sa mga ekosistema at panganib sa mga buhay sa paligid ng bulkan.
Increased seismic activity and ground movement can cause damage to infrastructure and lead to landslide. Release of gases and chemicals can pose health hazard to humans and animals.
During eruption,
Fall of ash, rocks, and pyroclastic materials can cause damage to homes, infrastructure, and crops. Flooding and landslide can result in widespread flooding and landslide of mud and ash. Formation of lahars. Lahars can cause damage to rivers and easily cause flooding in areas near the volcano.
after the eruption,
Land collapse and flooding can cause destruction of homes, infrastructures, and farmland. Ashfall. Ashfall can pose health problems, especially for those with respiratory issue. Destruction of ecosystem can pose risk to plants, animals, and other species living in the vicinity of the volcano.
And here are the things to do.
before, during, and after a volcanic eruption. Before the eruption, be ready at all times.
Have an emergency kit containing food, water, medication, flashlight, and other essential items.
Stay updated on the volcano's alert level.
Follow announcements and warnings from local authorities and volcano experts.
Plan an evacuation route.
Know the safe routes to evacuation centers or safe place. Prepare important documents. List down important documents such as identification cards, birth certificates, and other legal documents.
During the eruption, stay indoors or at the evacuation center.
Avoid going outside to prevent exposure to ash and other hazards.
Wear protection.
Magsuot ng makapal na face mask, goggles at iba pang proteksyon para sa mga mata at baga.
Be prepared for floods and landslide.
Iwasan ang mga lugar na maaaring maapektuhan ng pagbaha at pagguho ng mga lahars at iba pang pyroclastic material.
After the eruption, stay in a safe place.
Hintayin ang pahintulot mula sa mga lokal na awtoridad bago bumalik sa mga apektadong lugar.
Be cautious of hazards.
Watch out for landslide, floods, and other hazards that may continue after the eruption.
Clean ash and debris.
Alisin ang mga abo at basura na naiwan ng pagsabog upang maiwasan ang mga problema sa kalusugan at kapaligiran.
Salamat sa panonood. Ako nga pala si Melchie Lobero. At ako nga rin si Bianca Matriano. At ako nga rin si Annalyn Quino. And that is the awareness of volcanic hazard and what to do before, during, and after a volcanic eruption. We are the volcanologists from Bicol.